Hi guys, welcome to Marcy's in the kitchen. Today guys, we're going to make some vegetable soup. Guys, you know sometimes you come from work and you don't eat during the day, you don't have any lunch. So guys, this soup is very good for you. So guys, I'm going to show you all what I'm going to put into my vegetable soup. So guys, this is what I'm going to put into my vegetable soup. I'm going to use soup it up, not all of it. So guys, I'm going to put in some lettuce and some spinach and some chopped carrot and chopped onion, and guys some scallion, and I'm going to drop a scotch bonnet pepper into it guys. So guys, it's time for me to put in my vegetable. So guys, it's time for me to get in our water. Guys, don't put a lot of water into your vegetable. I'm going to put in now the soup because we're not going to use plenty inside of it, so we don't want it to be salt. So guys, by 6 to 7 minutes, we can remove the flame. So guys, it's time for me to check on our vegetable soup. So guys, look at it. Guys, we're not looking at anything spicy. We're just looking for something very good for our body. This vegetable soup is very healthy for our body, guys. Guys, it's time to look on my soup. Guys, look. Guys, this is very healthy for your body. Very healthy, guys. You guys, look on it. Oh my God. And the carrot. Guys, this is very healthy for your body. So guys, it's time for me to remove my flame and have my vegetable soup. Guys, eat with me and enjoy. Thank you. Love you guys.